Hello you guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to, this is my kind of October plans, goals, and also kind of a wrap up of September and show you some of the pages that I missed out on making videos on. So first off, thank you for all sticking with me. September was chaotic. I'm still trying to find a groove. This here's the sketch for Tuesdays in the Attic that I missed. So I modified it a little bit, but I used just random papers from my stash. So when I went to the retreat, I took random papers that were kind of left over, a paper pad that I wanted to use up, some scraps, and all my embellishments. And I was able to get rid of and use up three complete sticker sheets. I finished what I had left over of a scrap room kit that was Bo Bunny. I finished up all the papers and a lot of the embellishments of Cocoa Vanilla. Oh, the summer one last year. I can't think of what it was called. So now I just have embellishments left, but I finished all that. I finished and I got some papers. I finished up just a bunch of things. So it was good. It was good. So this is how what I took for the sketch. I turned this, instead of two pictures, it's just one. This is just a bigger one versus two smaller ones. So I just made them a little wider, and so it made less room over here that needed like a decorative thing. So I was able to just stick a sticker and use some craft things, whatever. Used up these papers. These two papers were from a paper pad. Used up some random things in my stash. It felt good to use up some things, and yeah, it felt great. And yeah, use up some stickers, like I said, random things from my stash. It was awesome. So this was the Tuesdays in the Attic video. That would have been the Tuesdays in the Attic video that I never got to. I did the sketch, and I think it turned out really good. So there's that. And then the Product Focus Friday that I never got to. This is the page I made with that. So this is mostly Allie, well, not really. All the embellishments are Allie Edwards, and and the trim, because that was the knick-knack that we were supposed to use. So the trim is Allie Edwards as well, but this is some of the same papers I used on that other layout. This is the homemade paper I made for blank to bold class. This Joy is a pink paisley mirrored thicker that I had. This is a Creative Memories paper that I got at the retreat. And this blue is a Cocoa Vanilla Studio paper. I just played, and I the results I enjoy. So some of the things ended up way more colorful than I wanted. And this is day 2 of 30 days of sketches, with the fabulous sketch by Maggie. It was by Maggie Blethen. So this sketch was by Maggie. Used a lot of the Cocoa Vanilla. Again, and then this is a Creative Memories paper. And I did a companion page later in the month for one of the sketches that goes with this layout I did for day 2 sketch. So that is fun. So yeah, and then I did a few other layouts for days this month that I know I don't have anything else going on those days, so it's kind of fun. So I've got all the sketches printed out. I plan on playing along as much as possible. For sure, all the days that I normally have a video, I will be using a sketch. So all my Product Focus Fridays will have a sketch. All my Stash Smash days will have a sketch. Copa days, I'll probably use the sketch. Yeah. And I'm going to do these sketches for Tuesdays in the Attic instead of Dusty Attic sketches, because I was going to be short for the year anyway. So I've decided what I'll do is this month I'll just do 30 days of sketches, and we'll pick up with week 40 in November for Tuesdays in the Attic, and that'll get us through the rest of the year, and then it'll be one Tuesday in 2023 that the last sketch will be, because there was only 49 or something like that. So just shy of a couple, so I figured this will be perfect. I'll just do 30 days of sketches this month only, and we'll shift the Tuesdays, so that'll work out well. So you won't see Dusty Attic sketches at all this month. It'll only be the exclusives for 30 days of sketches, 10, which is awesome. And I plan on doing all the normal things, stretch the sketch. I'm hoping to do Christmas in October this month. I missed out on Christmas in September. Simple Story Saturdays. Confessions of the Paper Addict, Craft IQ is actually gonna have a different sketch because they were all made exclusive for 30 days of sketches. I didn't want to share it necessarily ahead of time. Stash Mash will be using sketches. So I've got all my goals laid out here on my sheet. Lots of sketches this month. I'm excited for that. So let's go ahead and draw who we're going to play with for Product Focus Fridays, because we'll at least keep that consistent. We'll just also be using a sketch. Right. So the category is we're going to play with embellishments. Okay. A lot of embellishments. It's a big category. Okay, and then these are the designers. Okay. I'm gonna break them up here. I have no idea who are we playing with? Fancy Pants. Okay, so we will be playing with Fancy Pants every Friday. I'm down with that. I've got some old Fancy Pants. I have some new scrap room kits from Fancy Pants for this month that were released this month, so I'm excited. I got in that one grab box, I got that collection of Fancy Pants, so we can play with that. So this first Friday, I'll kind of give you, that'll be a longer video. I'll give you an example of what we'll do for Fancy Pants. We've got 4 Fridays in October. So we're going to say 1, 2, 3, 4. So this coming Friday, we'll play with Flair. Watch, the sketch will be completely not helpful for that. And then we'll do some washi. And then we'll play with some enamel dots. And then we'll make sure to use some puffy stickers. So that's nice and straightforward, and that'll be fun because then I can play with some new stuff as well as play with some old stuff all month long. I'm gonna see if I can kill those as many Fancy Pants kits as possible. How does that sound? That sounds like a great idea. Jackie, let's kill the Fancy Pants. Okay. All right. October goals are set. Oh, I need to make a graphic for Craft IQ also. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.